Welcome to EMSN 295, where we unravel the latest in tech innovations. In this video we introduce Royal Smart Writing Pad. The new SyncPen 3 transfers your writings and drawings from the notebook page to your device in real time using the News app. It records the writing track to sync with your notes, preserving details in the creative process. OCR handwriting recognition. The News Smart Pen transcribes handwritten notes into editable digital text using OCR technology. It supports recognition in 66 languages, more than other pens, and can recognize text, shapes, mathematical elements, and music with MiScript. Quickly notate, edit, organize, search, and share your notes and drafts. Notes can be sorted by modification or creation time. Supports both online and offline modes. When the pen is not connected to your phone, it can still save your written content, which will be uploaded to the application once connected. Converts your notes into various formats such as doc, PDF, or JPG for easy sharing with friends, family, or colleagues. Ideal for designers, writers, students, and businessmen alike.